Hey y'all, this is Kim with Creative Escapades. If this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. I'm so excited that you joined me today, and I'm excited to show you what I'm going to be making. So sit back, relax, and I hope you enjoy the video. So in today's project, I'm working on this 12-ounce stainless steel double-walled coffee mug, and I've already prepped it. I'm going to be doing the Tack It method, and I'm just going to use a little bit of the Tack It, which is about 2.5 mils, and then add a little water and mix it. I don't want it real thin, but I want it thin enough so that when I put it onto the cup, I get a smooth swipe with no brush strokes. I don't want it to show up in my glitter. Also, I'm not going to be talking in the majority of this video. This cup is really special, and I think in light of everything that's going on in the world right now, just need to slow down and just breathe. So I'm going to tell you what I'm using, and then I'm just going to let you see how it turns out. So I'm smoothing this Tack It over and over onto the cup. I did 2 layers, letting it dry about 5 minutes in between, and then I added some glass slipper, very fine holographic glitter from Glitter Designs by 2, which you will find the link to their website below. I am affiliate with them, so if you follow the link and you do make a purchase, then I do get compensated a little bit, and I need to tell you that. So now you know. And I'm also going to be putting a decal on this, and the decal is what's going to make this cup. And I've already got the glitter on here, and I'm going to let it set overnight and dry, and then come back and put a layer of faux resin on the cup, which is a 1-to-1 ratio, and let that turn overnight, and then I'll be coming back to put the decal on it. Right now I want to make sure that my glitter, especially around this edge, is all the way flat against the surface, and I am going to put a clear layer of matte spray sealer over this so that when I go to put the resin on, it does not knock any of my glitter off. And I also use the clear matte spray paint 3 layers on my decal, letting it dry in between, and then letting it dry overnight before I put it onto my cup. And once I soaked the decal in room temperature water and got it onto my cup, I also let that set for several hours before I put the resin on. So I'm about to show you the cup after it's resined. I used about 20 milliliters of faux resin, and this is why this cup is so special. It is well with my soul, and it has this mandala dragonfly on it. But right now there's so much turmoil and fear and things going on in the world that just need to breathe sometimes and know that God has us, and it is well with our soul. So I'm going to let this soak for just a few minutes, and then I'm going to wet my cup, and then I'm going to pull this out from underneath there. You're also going to see me cut a couple places on the Waterslide so that I can make sure that it fits over that curve. I'm just slicing the Waterslide, lifting up an edge, and then just overlapping it on the other edge, and then moving any of the water out from beneath it. So I hope that you've enjoyed this video thus far, and will hang around to watch the rest of it because I'll be showing you the finished product. And if you have, please click like and share, and leave me comments, questions. Everything that I used will be below in the description box. And I want to thank you for doing all those things, and I hope to see you in my next creative escapade. So keep watching for the finished product.
When people